Maurice Bucaille, a French researcher, has examined a lot of scientific content in his articles and research about the Quran and the holy books. In this segment, we will present parts of the holy books that are in contradiction with science for you to see. Stay with us to explore this together.
For centuries, the book of Genesis has told the story of how God created the world in just 6 days. But modern science paints a very different picture, one spanning billions of years. So, can these two versions coexist, or do they contradict each other? Let's dive deep into the scientific problems within the Bible's creation story. Genesis says, "Let there be light." But where did this light come from? Stars, including our sun, formed 9 billion years after the Big Bang. Even water couldn't exist yet because Earth was just a molten rock. The Bible's timeline is scientifically impossible. On day 4, God creates the sun and moon. But science says Earth was born from the solar nebula, meaning the sun existed first. Even crazier, the moon formed when a Mars-sized planet smashed into Earth. The Bible's order is backwards. Genesis claims God made birds before land plants, but fossils prove plants existed 300 million years earlier. Even dinosaurs appeared before birds. The Bible's biology is upside down. Here's the twist. Genesis contains 2 conflicting creation stories. One says humans were made last, Genesis 1. The other says Adam was created before plants, Genesis 2. Scholars believe these come from different authors, the Yahwist, 1000 BCE, and Priestley, 500 BCE sources. These errors aren't just mistakes. They prove the Bible was written by humans, not dictated by God. Ancient authors used myths to explain the world, just like other cultures. The real question is, should we treat it as science or poetry? Science and religion ask different questions. Science explains how the universe works. Religion asks why we exist. Maybe Genesis was never meant to be a science textbook, but in a world of telescopes and DNA, shouldn't our stories evolve too?
Do you agree that science should be aligned and in agreement with religion? Share your opinions with us in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. To not miss our future videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel.